Example number 4 of section 1, we're going to classify the study. So we have a research team that wants to test new football uniform designs and their appeal to young adults. They randomly select 100 young adults to view their different uniforms. The research team observes and records the reaction to the uniforms. So what's the purpose of this study? So as we read through it, who are we trying to reach? What's the sample? Who are we sampling? So the purpose is to determine what they want to know. The research team wants to test new uniform designs. So I want to test new uniform designs and their appeal to young adults. Right, so that would be the purpose. Purpose right there is to see if those new uniform designs appeal to younger adults. Okay, now does this situation represent a survey, an experiment, or an observational study? So here you might have to go back and look at the previous slide here and see here's a survey, an experiment, and then an observational study. So a survey is collecting responses, where experiment is undergoing some type of change. So you usually have a control group within an experiment. And then an observational study is where you're measuring some sort of something that's going on, that's happening. Okay, so survey. And so we researched, they randomly select 100 young adults to view the different uniforms. The research team observes and records. So observes and records their reactions. So since they're observing and recording, that would be an observational study because they're observing people's reactions. Okay. With a survey, they might just ask, which one do you like better, right? Okay. Identify the sample and proportion. So who are they sampling? Well, they're sampling 100 young adults. And they want to find out about the population. So that's the sample. The population would be, they want to appeal to young adults. So 100 young adults, even though that looks terrible handwriting, sorry. 100 young adults is a sample. The population would be young adults, just young adults. Okay, so there's number 4.